In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with QuickBooks. We'll walk through the exact path inside Monday so you can connect your QuickBooks account and start automating your workflows. Make sure you're logged into Monday with an account that has admin permissions before you begin, because only admins can access the settings we'll be using. Start on your Monday.com homepage. This is your main workspace, where you usually see your boards and dashboards. From here, we're going to head into the admin area. Look towards the top or left of your screen for the main navigation and click the highlighted menu that opens your account or workspace settings. Once that menu is open, select Administration. This will take you into the admin section where you can manage account-wide features. Inside Administration, you'll see several tabs. Look for the one labeled Connections and click it. This is where Monday manages connections to other tools and services. Within Connections, find and select Automation Connections. This area is specifically designed for links that power automations and integrations between Monday and external apps like QuickBooks. Next, click on Explore Integrations. This opens the Integration Center, where you can browse or search for apps to connect. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search field and start typing QuickBooks. As you type, Monday will filter the apps that match your search. When you see QuickBooks appear in the list, click on it. This first click opens the QuickBooks integration page, where you'll see options and templates. You may see QuickBooks listed again as an option or tile. Click QuickBooks once more to move into the setup options. Now you'll be asked what type of connection you want. Choose the standard option. This is the regular integration type most users need, and it gives you access to ready-made recipes for common workflows. Once you've selected standard, click on Use Template. This lets you start from a predefined integration recipe instead of building everything from scratch. After that, you'll be prompted to choose where this integration should live. Select the relevant project or board that you want to connect to QuickBooks. This is the board whose items will trigger or receive updates based on your QuickBooks data. Finally, click on Create Automation. Confirm again by selecting Create Automation when prompted. At this stage, you'll be guided to connect and configure your QuickBooks account details. Once that configuration is complete, your Monday.com to QuickBooks integration is fully set up and ready to use.